Whoa! Oh my gosh! You know, I love this rug, but walking on it, well, that can be a dangerous matter, and I'm going to do something about it.
Now, like most of my projects, this one begins with a shopping trip to pick up a slip-resistant rug pad.
You know, a lot of really good-looking rugs don't have a slip-resistant back. And in my book, well, that's just an accident waiting to happen. So here's an easy way to turn a slippery rug into a slip-free rug.
I've turned the rug over and am placing the rubber pad on the back.
I'm going to mark this just so that it's about 1 inch smaller than the rug itself. Now I'll cut this out with a pair of scissors. Okay, I'll check this for fit. Should be about a 1 inch margin around the edge, more or less. Good. Now I used to just put this down on the floor, the pad and then the carpet on top. But what I found is that the rug actually slips on top of the pad sometimes. So what I started doing was sticking the pad to the rug using this double stick carpet tape. Again, you can find this in your home improvement center, in most hardware stores or carpet stores. Now, once I've got the perimeter done, I like to put a couple of strips in the middle. Some people call this the field. Now I'm going to peel off the protective backing here. I'm going to put the pad on now, just kind of very lightly till I get the position where I want it with that 1 inch margin. Okay, let's try it out. And there we have it. That's how I turn a slippery rug into a slip-free rug.